Hello everybody, this is particularly for people that are in the HVAC field. I have been taking motors from systems that we've been changing out, or motors that have been changed out and thrown in the scrap pile, and I've been bringing them home and taking the copper out of them and building up a good little hoard of it to take to the scrap yard and make a few extra dollars one day. But recently I found something that I never thought I would ever see. I cut into some condenser fan motors recently, and these are, let's see, it's a motor I definitely don't want to use. This is a Trade Pro brand, made in China, of course. And when I started sawing into the windings, I realized that this motor is useless to me for scrap, because it has, get this, aluminum windings. Never in my life have I seen a motor made with aluminum windings until now. Let me flip this around, you can see. Solid aluminum, all aluminum windings. Some of them have a blend of copper, but mostly all aluminum. So anyway, Trade Pro motors, of course they fit just about everything because they got the little screws in the side, so they'll fit your little rud units and ream units that the screws go in the, sideways on. That's a nice little convenience, but definitely not the Trade Pro brand. And as I continue to do this, I'm gonna discover more brands, and I'll let you know which ones have aluminum windings, but I would definitely stay away from those motors. With the lower melting point of aluminum and everything, you can imagine how easy it would be to burn out one of these motors. So anyway, just thought that was interesting, and like, comment, all that kind of good stuff. Y'all have a great day.